Feed your flock. Take control of your animal feed. By doing so, you ensure that your animals receive the highest quality nutrition, tailored specifically to their needs. More and more people are seeking ways to provide their animals with the best possible care, and that includes nutritious and sustainable feed. This growing trend reflects a deeper connection to our food sources and a commitment to sustainability. Commercial feed can be expensive and often contains ingredients of questionable origin. These hidden components can affect the health and well-being of your animals. Growing your own grains offers a solution, a way to provide for your animals while knowing exactly what they're eating. This practice not only ensures quality but also gives you peace of mind. Imagine stepping outside your door and gathering fresh homegrown grain for your chickens, ducks, goats, or pigs. This direct connection to your food source is both empowering and fulfilling. This vision of self-sufficiency is achievable even on a small scale. With a bit of effort and knowledge, you can transform your backyard into a productive mini farm. It's a rewarding experience that benefits both your animals and the environment. Healthier animals mean better productivity and a more sustainable lifestyle. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to embark on your own grain-growing journey. You'll learn the ins and outs of grain cultivation, from seed selection to soil management. We'll explore the benefits, provide practical advice on choosing the right grains, and guide you through the process from soil preparation to harvest. Each step is designed to help you succeed. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a backyard enthusiast, growing your own animal feed is a fulfilling endeavor that allows you to connect with nature, reduce your ecological footprint, and provide the best possible care for your animals. Join us on this journey to self-sufficiency and sustainability. Reap the rewards, cost savings, and healthier animals. One of the most compelling reasons to grow your own grain is the potential for significant cost savings. Commercial feed prices are subject to market fluctuations and can put a strain on your budget. By producing your own feed, you gain control over costs and reduce your reliance on external sources. More importantly, homegrown grains offer unparalleled health benefits for your animals. Commercial feeds often contain fillers, preservatives, and genetically modified ingredients that can negatively impact animal health. When you grow your own grains, you choose the varieties, ensure they're grown without harmful chemicals, and provide your animals with the freshest, most nutrient-rich feed possible. This translates into healthier animals with stronger immune systems, improved productivity, and overall well-being. Grain giants, choosing the easiest grains to grow. Selecting the right grains is crucial for success, especially for beginners. Some grains are naturally easier to grow and require less specialized equipment. Here are a few top contenders. Barley. This fast-growing grain thrives in various climates and soil types. It's an excellent source of energy and fiber for animals. Oats. Another versatile grain, oats are known for their hardiness and adaptability. They're rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Wheat, a staple food source for both humans and animals. Wheat is a rewarding grain to grow. Choose heritage varieties for added resilience. Field peas. While technically legumes, field peas are an excellent source of protein and can be grown similarly to grains. These grains are relatively low maintenance and offer a good starting point for novice grain growers. As you gain experience, you can experiment with other grains suited to your region and the specific needs of your animals. Preparing the stage. Setting your soil up for success. Just like a healthy garden starts with fertile soil, successful grain cultivation requires proper soil preparation. The foundation of a thriving crop lies in the quality of the soil. Before sowing your chosen grains, take the time to create an optimal growing environment. This step is crucial for the health and yield of your crops. Testing. Begin by conducting a soil test to determine its pH level and nutrient content. Knowing your soil's composition is the first step in making informed decisions. This information will guide your soil amendment strategy, ensuring you add exactly what your soil needs. Amending. Based on your soil test results, amend the soil with compost, aged manure, or other organic matter to improve its structure, fertility, and water-holding capacity. This step enriches the soil, making it more conducive for plant growth. Tilling. Use a tiller or hand tools to loosen the soil to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Proper tilling breaks up compacted soil, allowing roots to penetrate deeply. This allows for proper root development and aeration, which are essential for healthy plant growth. Leveling. Create a smooth, level seedbed by raking out any large clumps or stones. A well-prepared seedbed ensures uniform seed placement. A level surface ensures even seed distribution and emergence, which is key to achieving a uniform crop stand. By investing time and effort in soil preparation, you provide your grains with the foundation they need to thrive and produce a bountiful harvest. The rewards of your labor will be evident in the health and abundance of your crops. Harvesting your grains at the right time is essential for optimal quality and storage. Timing is everything when it comes to ensuring that your grains are at their peak. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, timing is crucial. You need to monitor your crops closely. You should harvest grains when the seeds are hard and dry. This ensures that the grains have matured fully and are ready for storage. You can test this by biting into a seed. It should be difficult to crush. If the seed is too soft, it needs more time to mature. Next, for cutting, use a scythe, sickle, or hand clippers to cut the grain stalks close to the ground. This method helps in gathering the maximum yield. Gather the cut stalks into bundles. Then, there's threshing. This step is crucial for separating the grain from the stalks. You need to separate the grain seeds from the stalks and chaff by hand or using a simple threshing tool. This can be labor-intensive but is essential for a clean harvest. This involves beating the grain heads to release the seeds. Make sure to do this thoroughly to get all the seeds out. After that, winnowing comes into play. This step helps in cleaning the grain by removing the chaff. Toss the threshed grain in the air on a breezy day, or use a fan to separate the lighter chaff from the heavier seeds. This ensures that only the clean grains are left. Finally, for storing, place the clean grains in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your grains. This will prevent spoilage and keep your harvest fresh for months. With these steps, you can ensure a successful and bountiful harvest. Section 6. A Greener Tomorrow, the Environmental Impact. Choosing to grow your own animal feed extends beyond personal benefits. It's a powerful step towards a more sustainable future. Here's how. Reduce transportation. Commercial feed production and transportation generate significant carbon emissions. By growing locally, you minimize your carbon footprint. Chemical-free homegrown grains eliminate the need for synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers that can contaminate soil and water sources. Biodiversity support. Growing a variety of grains promotes biodiversity and supports beneficial insects and pollinators. Waste reduction. Utilizing homegrown grains reduces reliance on commercial feed packaging, minimizing waste and promoting a circular economy. By embracing sustainable grain-growing practices, you contribute to a healthier planet for both present and future generations. Section 7. Beyond the feed bag. Additional benefits of homegrown grains. The advantages of growing your own grains reach far beyond the feed bag. This practice offers a range of additional benefits that enhance your self-sufficiency and connection to nature seed saving. Once you've successfully grown a grain variety, you can save seeds from the harvest for next year's planting, ensuring a continuous and cost-effective supply. Composting material. The stalks and chaff left over after threshing make excellent additions to your compost pile, returning valuable nutrients to the soil. Educational opportunity. Growing grains provides a hands-on learning experience for children and adults alike, fostering an appreciation for agriculture and food production. Community building. Sharing your knowledge and surplus grains with neighbors and local farmers strengthens community bonds and promotes a culture of self-reliance. These additional benefits highlight the multifaceted value of growing your own grains, transforming it from a simple chore into a fulfilling and sustainable lifestyle choice. Section 8. Troubleshooting tips. Common challenges and solutions. Even with the best planning, challenges can arise when growing grains. Here are some common issues and effective solutions. Pests. Protect your crops from birds and rodents by using netting or fencing. Encourage beneficial insects that prey on pests by planting companion flowers. Diseases. Choose disease-resistant grain varieties and practice crop rotation to minimize the risk of fungal infections. Weeds. Suppress weed growth by using mulch or practicing shallow cultivation between rows. Hand weeding is also effective for small plots. Drought. Ensure adequate water supply through regular irrigation, especially during dry spells. Mulching helps retain soil moisture. By anticipating and addressing these challenges proactively, you can ensure a healthy and productive grain harvest. Section 9. Join the movement. Embrace sustainable farming practices. Growing your own animal feed is more than just a practical endeavor. It's a conscious decision to align your actions with your values. By embracing sustainable farming practices, you become part of a growing movement that prioritizes environmental stewardship, animal welfare, and community resilience. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to seek advice from experienced growers. The journey of growing your own grains is filled with rewards, from the satisfaction of providing for your animals to the joy of harvesting your own food. Together, we can create a future where sustainable agriculture is the norm, and our connection to the land and its bounty is stronger than ever.